Hello, everyone. Have you ever searched for car insurance online and felt completely confused by all the different prices and companies? Well, what if one website could compare multiple insurance companies for you in just a few minutes? That's exactly what the Zebra does. But here's something most beginners don't know. The Zebra is not actually an insurance company itself. So in this video, I'll explain exactly what the Zebra is, how it works, and whether it's actually worth using or not. So basically, the Zebra is an insurance comparison website. Instead of visiting different insurance companies one by one, users can enter their information once, and the Zebra compares quotes from multiple providers in one place. It can show prices, coverage options, discounts, and monthly payments side by side, which makes the whole process much easier for beginners. Their official website is the Zebra official website. Here's how it works. First, users enter details like their zip code, car model, age, and driving history. Then the Zebra searches different insurance providers connected to its system and shows multiple quote options. One company might offer cheaper prices, while another might give better coverage or extra benefits like roadside assistance. After comparing everything, users can choose a plan and continue directly to the insurance company to complete the purchase. Now a lot of people ask, is the Zebra legit? And yes, it is a legitimate platform used by millions of people to compare insurance quotes online. But there are still a few things users should know. The quotes shown are usually estimates, so the final price can sometimes change depending on your full driving record or other details. Also, some users report getting promotional emails or calls after signing up. Overall, the Zebra can be very useful for beginners because it saves time and makes comparing insurance much simpler. But users should still read policy details carefully and not just choose the cheapest option without checking the coverage. And yeah, that's basically the Zebra explained step by step for beginners. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials and explanations like this.